Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Larian app. All you have to do, you just go down, click on my Larian down here. Then you come to this list and you click on your on your name. Then you come to your profile. So then you go above this sign, click on it, and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click on account settings and you come to this list. You just switch into open video. It's going to take a time, so then you click here on notifications and come to this list. You click here on verifications, so then come to this list. You come to allow verification notifications, clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us as many allow verification notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.